In this video, we're looking at the top 5 benchtop jointers that fit a variety of woodworking needs. While there are bigger floor models and handheld options, benchtop jointers offer a great mix of power and size for most people. Whether you're a beginner or tackling bigger projects, we'll help you find the right tool to match your workspace and the types of wood you work with. Let's get started. At number 5, the Cutech 6-inch spiral Cutterhead benchtop jointer offers a powerful combination of smooth cutting, low noise, and low maintenance that's ideal if you're just getting into woodworking or want clean, professional-looking edges without fuss. The spiral Cutterhead is the star here. Unlike traditional straight blades, it has 6 rows of small carbide inserts arranged in a spiral pattern. This design means cuts come out smoother and quieter because the inserts take smaller bites of the wood and reduce tear out, especially on tricky grain like figured or softwoods. For someone working on picture frames, small furniture, or trim, where a perfect edge matters, this jointer makes that easy. Its aluminum tables have a Teflon coating rated at 6H hardness, so they resist scratches and keep your wood sliding effortlessly, which helps keep cuts consistent. The adjustable fence, which locks securely at 90 and 135 degrees, lets you make both straight and angled cuts with confidence. Its 10-amp motor delivers reliable power for typical hobby projects, but this machine isn't built for heavy or industrial use. If you want something that feels professional but won't intimidate beginners, and you work mainly with small to medium boards or softer woods, this Cutech is a great fit. Number 4 is the Delta 6-inch Midi-Bench jointer, designed for those who demand a robust, stable tool that handles larger and tougher jobs with precision. Its heavy cast-iron construction adds significant weight, about 76 pounds, which reduces vibration and movement when jointing harder woods or longer boards. This stability is key for woodworkers working on doors, cabinetry, or furniture frames, where exact dimensions and smooth surfaces are non-negotiable. The fence, made from heavy-duty cast iron, locks securely at 90 and 45 degrees, so you can switch easily between edge jointing and bevel cuts. Another practical feature is the built-in dust blower, which efficiently clears chips and sawdust from the Cutterhead area, reducing clogging and improving safety and visibility as you work. The inclusion of push blocks helps keep your hands safe and steady as you feed wood through the jointer. Its 12-amp motor provides strong, consistent power, making it capable of handling dense hardwoods like oak or maple without bogging down. This jointer is ideal if you have a mid-sized workshop and want a machine that can reliably hold up to regular use and produce accurate cuts over time. It's a great investment for DIY enthusiasts and semi-professionals looking for long-term durability and precision. At number 3, the Porter Cable 6-inch benchtop jointer brings a unique level of versatility with its variable speed control. You can adjust the Cutterhead speed from 6,000 up to 11,000 RPM, which is a game-changer if your woodworking involves a variety of woods or project sizes. For example, slowing the speed down when working with softwoods or delicate, thin stock helps prevent chip-out and tear, while faster speeds tackle hardwoods like cherry or walnut with clean, precise cuts. Its 2-knife Cutterhead design features a built-in lock that holds the Cutterhead steady during blade changes or leveling, making maintenance safer and quicker, especially useful for woodworkers who prefer to do their own tool upkeep. The extra-large table offers plenty of support for wider or longer boards, making it easier to feed stock steadily and get consistent, flat edges. Weighing only 35 pounds, this jointer is highly portable, perfect for small shops or job sites where space and mobility are at a premium. If you want a machine that adapts to different materials and projects, from small craft work to medium furniture parts, without sacrificing precision or breaking your back moving it around, this Porter cable delivers that flexibility. Number 2 is the CRAFTSMAN Benchtop Jointer, which hits a sweet spot between power, ease of use, and precision. Its 10-amp motor and variable speed from 6,000 to 11,000 RPM mean you can adjust cutting speeds to match your wood. Soft woods get a gentler cut, while hardwoods are tackled with more power and speed for a cleaner finish. The center-mounted fence provides solid support along the entire edge of your boards, which is crucial for achieving perfectly straight and square edges, especially when making furniture joints or cabinetry. The two-knife Cutterhead uses a jack screw leveling system for easy knife changes and adjustments, reducing downtime and keeping cuts sharp. It's stable yet compact enough for smaller shops or DIYers who want a reliable, all-around jointer. Whether you're fitting cabinet doors, building custom furniture, or working on hobby projects, this jointer gives consistent results and straightforward maintenance, making it a solid upgrade from entry-level tools. If you want a dependable machine that can grow with your skills and tackle a wide range of materials and project sizes, CRAFTSMAN delivers that balance. At number 1, the Wahuda 10-inch benchtop jointer stands at the top for those who want serious capacity and power in a benchtop design. Its wide 10-inch cutting width and 12-amp motor allow you to flatten and joint large boards or thick hardwood slabs quickly and accurately, which is essential for tabletops, shelving, and heavy furniture components. The spiral cutter head features 4-sided carbide inserts, which last longer, cut quieter, and deliver cleaner, more precise results compared to traditional blades. The adjustable cast-iron tables come with pull-out extensions to support longer boards and improve stability, which helps avoid snipe or uneven edges. The fence tilts from 90 to 135 degrees, giving you the flexibility to make bevel cuts and angled joints for more complex woodworking. Despite being a heavy-duty machine, it's still portable enough to fit in smaller shops or be taken to job sites. This jointer is ideal for woodworkers who want professional-grade tools that can handle big, demanding projects and grow with their skills. It's built for versatility, durability, and long-lasting performance on tough materials and large pieces. This list covers a wide range of woodworking needs, from beginners wanting quiet, easy, and forgiving machines, to experienced woodworkers demanding power, precision, and versatility on larger jobs. Whether you're working with soft woods or hardwoods, small trims or big furniture slabs, or you need something compact or heavy-duty, these jointers give you solid options to match your workshop space, skill level, and project goals. Picking the right jointer isn't just about specs. It's about knowing how you work, what wood you use, and the projects you want to build. This lineup helps you make that decision with confidence.